Hello students, today we'll deal with the 8th chapter, that is the bear. Okay, this is from the supplementary reader. Okay, English. Once there lived a lady on the border of a big forest. Okay, once there was a lady. Okay, she was living in the border of the forest. She found a bear cub in the forest. What did she find? Bear cub in the forest. It was starving. Okay, it was starving. It was quite helpless. It was helpless. The lady had to bring it up to the on the bottle. The cook helped her. So the lady brought it, okay, and then she was feeding the bottle. Okay, that means she was feeding the milk with the bottle, and cook was there. She was helping. Okay. After many years, it grew up to a big and strong bear. However, he was a most amiable bear. Okay, amiable bear. That's a very nice one. Okay, friendly bear. He harmed neither men nor beasts. It was harming no one. There were three mountain points ponies in the stable. Three mountain ponies were there in the stable. Even these ponies did not feel frightened when he walked into the stable. He also looked amicably at the cattle. Okay. So the children used to ride on his back. The children used to play on his back. They had been also found asleep in his kennel between his two paws. Okay. So they had been also found asleep in his kennel between his two paws. They were sleeping there. Okay. So the three Lapland dogs loved to play with him. The dogs were also okay. Lapland dogs. They were also happy to play with this bear. They pulled his ears and teased him in every way. They were playing thoroughly. Okay, so he did not mind it at all. The bear ate the same food as the dogs. He ate bread, porridge, potatoes, cabbages, and turnips. Okay, so same as the dogs were eating, the bear was also eating the same thing. Okay, he had a good appetite. He used to see with wistful eyes at the apples in the orchard. He was not allowed to climb the trees and eat them. He had also been taught not to touch the beehive. He was once put on the chain for 2 days when he had touched the beehives. Otherwise, he was chained only at night. Okay, during the day, it was left. Okay, so like a dog, a bear also does not like to be changed. Like the dog, okay, bear was also not ready to be changed. Okay, the lady visited her sister every Sunday. This sister lived on the other side of the mountain like lake. It was not safe to go with the bear through the forest. Okay, so the lady was there. Okay, on the other side of the lake. Okay, mountain lake. Okay, so just opposite side they were living. So on the Sundays the bear was on chain the whole afternoon. On Sunday the bear was chained. Okay, whole afternoon. Okay. On Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, she found the bear following her. Okay, on the dense forest, what happened? She found a bear following her. The lady was very angry. There was no time to take him back home. Okay, she did not want him to come with her. She told him in her hardest tone to go back. She threatened him with her parasol. The bear did not seem to want to obey. Okay. Then the lady saw that the bear had even lost his new collar. She hit the bear with the parasol so hard that it broke in two. Okay, the parasols, it broke into two pieces. The bear stopped and opened his mouth several times at it wanting to say something. It is opening its mouth because the lady hit with the parasol, okay, to that bear. Then he turned around and went back. Went back. However, he stopped now and then to look back at the lady. At last, she lost sight of him. Okay, at last she lost the sight of him. That means it went away. Okay, the lady came home in the evening. Lady came home. She found the bear looking very sorry for him. It was so because he had been sitting there the whole day. That bear was sitting whole day there only. Okay. It was so because he had been sitting there for the whole day, sitting in the same position he had been waiting for the lady. The lady was still very angry. She began to scold the bear. She said that he would be changed for 2 more days as punishment. The old cook heard the lady and rushed out from the kitchen. She loved the bear as her own son. She asked the lady to bless him instead of scolding him. The bear, she said, had been sitting there all day as meek as an angel. It was then the lady realized that it had met another bear in the forest. Okay, finally she came to know that on the way when she was going to her sister's house, she met the another bear. It was not the bear which she was keeping at home. Okay, so my dear students, you might have understood the lesson. Okay, so thank you so much for listening.